Hello there. Today we'll be doing binary tree nodes around the radius. You are given a binary tree root containing unique integers and integers target and radius. Return a sorted list of values of all nodes that are distance radius away from the node with values target. So in example 1, we are given a target of 4 and the radius of 2. And so we are looking at this 4 here, and 2 away we see a 3 and we see a 1. So we want to look at all the connected nodes from 4 and span out a radius of 2 to get all the relevant nodes. To do that, we need to first connect all the nodes together because we cannot visit the parent node or the child node easily. So we want to create an undirected graph. That way we connect all the nodes with a pointer to every other node, and we can access all the nodes if necessary. So with that, by getting one node, say this 2 node, to connect it to all of these nodes, we can go to any of these nodes, and using a BFS call, we can get layers of that radius, and also by using a set, we can block off going to a new node, a previous node, so we don't have to go in a cycle. Sets are generally useful when you're dealing with undirected graphs to make sure that you don't end up in a cycle. So to do this, first of all, we're going to make a connection, default dictionary, out of, yes, we're going to create this list. First we're going to create the connect the parent and child, and if parent and child, so make sure that both the parent and child exist. If there's no child, there's nothing to connect, and if there's no parent, there's nothing to connect the parent to. So we're going to get the values, append. That way we make things easier for ourselves because we're just creating an undirected graph. That means we don't need to collect the same information anymore. Okay. One worry is that suppose like we have duplicate values in our tree, but this is a binary tree, so there cannot, wait a minute, that doesn't make sense. It's not a BST. But if it is the case that there are duplicate values, this method will no longer work. We would have to take in the nodes and append each node to each other because duplicate values would replace our old dictionary values. So if we do see the duplicate values, we would need to use nodes instead. Then we would have to just go by it's the same, it's just that we use the UUIDs of the nodes to look for the child and children. This is a little slightly easier for us. So we check the child and child.right. And we finish this off by connecting, starting with none and the root. Okay, with that we have connected all the items in an undirected graph, and now we're going to create a target. Start our BFS with a target, and create our scene and set our BFS in our target. So for I in range. Radius, we're going to do a new level first, and we're going to populate this new level with our BFS call. These are our nodes in our queue in BFS, and we're gonna have connected nodes. I wonder if we can use those as keys if it was a UUID append connected node value. So now we're appending all the new values, the new layer, into our BFS call equals the and we're gonna set a scene to union join our new set of BFS. This is what we have visited, and we will not visit again. With that, we have completed our search, and we have gone to our particular radius level, and that will be our BFS at this when our loop ends. So then we can return our sorted BFS at the end of this call, and we'll run. BGS line 23, little typo there. Let's run it again. Wrong answer. There's a 4 in here for some reason. Let's see what's going on. See. So what happened was that we did a union join here. We did a new level here. For some reason, we collected our that's the problem. Yes, we forgot the if statement. So one thing that's interesting here is that I did not go in an endless loop. That is very funny. It just went here and then went back out to our node. Different from I predicted, which is interesting. And there it is. That is the answer for binary tree nodes around the radius. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. If you want more video, check out the link in the description below. Well, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.